MES College, Marampally, e-learning.
Today we are going to learn how to drape a basic cowl neck. A cowl is any part of a garment that is draped in horizontal, loosely draped bias fabrics. Garments that are designed with cowls are usually made in soft fabric like chiffon and crepe. The first step to drape the basic cowl neck is preparation of fabric. Measurement is a 30-inch square is adequate for a body with a normal waistline. To draw a true bias across the square of the fabric, then fold the fabric according to the desired depth and width of the shoulder. The second step is draping steps. In that, the first one is on the dress form, indicate the depth of the desired neckline with a pin, and at the shoulder seams of the dress form, indicate the desired width. Turn the back a corner of the fabric square for facing. Then pin the desired depth. Then pin the shoulder width. Then take the second cowl. Then pin the remaining shoulder area. Then pin the waistline area. Move the fabric towards the side seam area and pin the side seam. In armhole side seam intersection point, take it 1 inch below the side seam and pin it. Then mark the all points using dotted line. Then cut the extra fabrics. This is the finished cowl neck bodice.